In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the object tree to manage drawings in TradingView. TradingView is a powerful tool for analyzing financial markets, and leveraging its features effectively can enhance your trading strategy. Today, we'll focus on how you can manage your drawings, like trend lines and patterns, using the object tree feature. So, let's get started. First, open any chart on TradingView.com. You can select your preferred financial instrument, whether it be stocks, indices, or cryptocurrencies, which will serve as the foundation for your analysis. Once your chart is up, you'll want to start by drawing on it. This could be anything from trend lines, which can help you identify market direction, to boxes that highlight specific areas of interest, or even text annotations to make notes directly on the chart. The idea here is to populate your chart with the details that you need for your specific analysis. Next, you'll want to highlight specific elements of your drawing. Clicking on these highlighted areas ensures that you can easily manage them as we move forward. Additionally, you can add further precision by drawing a horizontal line across your chart. This might represent a support or resistance level, helping you keep track of key market areas. You might also want to experiment with adding different patterns to your chart, such as the XABCD pattern. These harmonic patterns are valuable tools for identifying potential reversal points, providing deeper insights into market behavior. Now let's organize everything efficiently. Take a look at the right-hand panel on your screen. There, you will find the object tree. It's the icon that resembles a stack. You can either click directly on it or access it by right-clicking anywhere on the chart and selecting Object Tree. This tool is incredibly useful as it provides a comprehensive list of everything you've created on your chart, neatly grouped by type for easy navigation. Once you are in the object tree, click on any item to highlight it on your chart. From here, right-clicking an item allows you to rename it, which helps keep things organized, especially when dealing with multiple elements. You can also hide layers, lock them in place to prevent accidental adjustments, or delete them entirely if they're no longer needed. For those dealing with complex charts, making use of folders in the object tree can significantly enhance organization, ensuring that related elements are grouped together. Finally, should you wish to have a clear view of your chart without distractions, simply toggle the eye icon in the object tree's top bar. This will hide or show all drawings at once, streamlining your view without deleting any data. Mastering the object tree in TradingView not only helps in managing your current drawings, but also enhances your charting experience by keeping everything tidy and efficient. Happy charting, and may your trading be ever